Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be going over page number 7 in the book, questions number 23 to 28. Bismillah. So for question number 23, it says if the average of 7 consecutive numbers is 20, then what is the largest of these numbers? So we know to find the average, you have to add up all the numbers divided by the number of numbers, right? So we can write down the average is equal to the sum of all numbers divided by the number of numbers added. Okay? We know that the average is 20. The sum is what we're trying to find. Divided by the number of numbers, which is 7. We're going to multiply now each side by 7 to get that the sum of all numbers is equal to 140. Now, there's a key word here that you should know. Consecutive. That means the numbers are continuous to one another. Okay? So, what we mean by that is we have a starting number, or write as x, added to the number after that. So it's going to be x plus 1. This is the number after, right? The number after that will be x plus 2. And after that, x plus 3. And after that, x plus 4. And then our sixth number is x plus 5. And finally, our seventh number is x plus 6. And all this is equal to the sum, which we had as 140, right? We know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x. So we'll write 7x plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. And 15 plus 6 is 21. So 7x plus 21, all equal to 140. We're going to subtract 21 from each side and solve for x. So we get 7x equal to 119. We're going to divide by 7 on each side, and we get x is equal to 17. Now, this is our starting number right here. This is a number, the smallest number we have. However, we're asked to find the largest. And right here is what we're going to substitute in to find our largest. So x plus 6 will equal our largest. X, as we said before, is 17. 17 plus 6 is equal to 23. And 23 is our answer. So for number 23, our answer is 23. See? Okay, for number 24, we're asked to find the value of the equation given. Now, when you have a fraction, and in the denominator, there's another fraction, this can also be written as 4 multiplied by the flipped version of that fraction. So 4 over 2. Okay? We took this fraction and we flipped it. So this is what we're going to do for all of these numbers over here. So we're going to write this as 4 multiplied by 4 over 2 plus 4 multiplied by 6 over 2. We're going to flip that, plus 9 multiplied by 9 over 3. Okay? Before we begin, let's simplify before we multiply. So 2 goes with 1, 2 goes with 1, 3 goes with 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 times 9 is 27. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 27 is all equal to 47. And B is our answer for 24. Again, this is the same thing where we're going to have to flip the denominator and multiply by the flip of the denominator. So we have 1 multiplied by 3 over 1 plus 2 multiplied by 6 over 2 plus 7 multiplied by 3 over 7. Again, remember to simplify before you multiply. So 2 goes with 2, so 1, 1. 7 goes with 7. So we have 3 added to 6, added to 3. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So for number 25, A is our answer. Now, number 26, it says that A and B and C and D cross each other and the midpoint is M. So what is the angle of X? So right here, if you can see, we have A and B and D and C, right? They want us to find this angle right here. Now, we can see that we're given these two angles right here, which are unnecessary. Because when we have two lines that meet at a point that cross each other, these two angles right here are a vertex, which means that they equal each other, right? So if we draw this line here, again, so we have line A and B going like this, and line C and D going like this, right? This angle right here and this angle right here will equal to each other. So if you have 40 here, this side should also be 40. And so if we substitute it here, so X should equal to 40. And for 26, B is our answer. Now, 27 is says to find the average of all prime numbers between 30 and 50. Prime numbers are numbers that are not divisible by any two whole numbers. They can't be divided by any two whole numbers. Okay? All even numbers are not prime numbers. Only odd can be prime numbers. Okay? So we'll go down the list and skip all the even numbers. So, we said 30 is even, so we'll go to 31. 31 is a prime number because it cannot be divided by any two whole numbers. The next prime number, if you go down the list, is 37. The next one after that is 41, and then 43, and last but not least is 47. Okay? Make sure you go down and skip the even numbers. Okay? So we'll do 31 plus 37 plus 41 plus 43 plus 47. If you do the math, all this should equal to 199. Okay? Now we're going to do 199 divided by the number, which is 5. Number being added, which is 5. 199 divided by 5 is equal to 39.8. And if we round 39 upwards, we get 40. And so for number 27, C is our answer. Now for the last question for this video, we are asked to find the value of the following equation. So we're going to write this 0.5 as 5 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by 10. If you want, you can write that as 10 over 1. Okay, so 5 and 1 is 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 5 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. So we have 50 over, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So 0 cancels out, so our answer is 5 over 1,000, or this can be written as, if you write a 5 here, then a temporary dot, and go to the left three times. So we go 1, 2, 3, place our dot right here, and fill in the blank with zeros. So our answer is 0.005, and so for 28, our answer is A. And that's all for today. Thank you, and inshallah you enjoyed.